Amanya nziko Mmengo Sharon nziyidde mu kampani ya EcoStove kati leero ekindeese kya kunyonyola ku pressure cooker engeri gy'ekolamu n'engeri gy'ekusevingamu ku masannyalaze. Ekozesa amasannyalaze naye ng'enywa kitono kubanga osobola okufumba ebijjulo nga 7 n'ekozesa units 2 zokka ku bijjulo 7. Pressure cooker eno egiramu esepiki yaayo ng'eno y'esepiki bwetyo bw'eba efaanana then ebeera ne kasitiima inside. Bw'oba otadde wansi katugambe ennyama wano osobola okusitiimingirako olumonde, muwogo, nsujju oba amatooke, ekintu kyonna ky'osobola okusitiiminga. Waba ky'otaddemu munda ky'opuresinga katugambe otaddemu omuceeri opuresinga wano ku muceeri n'ekuleetera eddakiika ezifumba omuceeri ziba ddakiika 15. Bw'oteekamu ebijanjaalo era still ng'opuresinga ku bijanjaalo nga still ekuleetera eddakiika 40. Efumba buli kimu oba amatooke manyige oba bijanjaalo kigere buli kimu ekifumba.
Amanya gange kinene Joero nkola ne Bukona Agro Processors. Bukona Agro Processors tudealingamu ethanol biostoves. Ethanol biostoves zikozesa amafuta ga ethanol nga zifumba. Tuyina double burners ne single burner. Zikozesa ethanol nga zifumba. Tuteekawo litemu buli lwoba ogenda ofumba okozesa litemu n'oteekawo. Bw'oba oguze double burner ejja ku $39 but the government is paying for you some subsidy. Tubawera ku $27.5. Tuyina single burner nayo ya $17.7. The government is paying some part. Woba oguze double burner tukuweerako pressure cooker ne tukuweerako obudomola 3 obw'amafuta for a start. Tusangibwa mu bitundu bingi mu Kampala. Mu Kampala woba oguze product yaffe tukola free delivery eya ethanol tukusanza amafuta wonna woba oli. Osobola okufumba at your convenience. Osobola okufumbira mu nnyumba yo oba tereeta mukka. And we are here to champion clean cooking.
My name is Daniel Kachali, Empako Yange Bala. I'm from Chadondo CBSP Sako. We are partners with Ecoca East Africa. They are the suppliers of this solar cooking system. This is the first one of its kind in the whole world. This is clean cooking, 100% solar energy. Like you can see, it is plug and play system, 100% off grid. Installation is under 1 hour. It is small, portable, adjustable. You don't have to change any design in your kitchen. Yes, a complete system comes with, as you can see, 2 solar panels, 2 cooking pots, a generator, and 3 lights. You can even charge your devices, as you can see, with 2 USB ports. You have different cooking modes. As you can see, you just have to choose which cooking mode you're using. And that's it. And you're up and running and cooking. Yes, the pots are 5 liters. The system comes with 2 pots, but you can add extra pots. If you have a bigger family, you can buy. A pot was previously 500,000, now it is 350,000. And this system can support up to 5 cooking pots. So a family of 10, 12 people can be easily sorted. This is solar powered. The sun is from 6 to 6. When it is raining, there's a cloud cover, it's raining, but it is still charging, but not as strong as it is right now when the sun is on. When it is raining, there are batteries inside. When there are batteries inside, they're charging all the time. Even right now as we are talking, it is charging because you can see there's a cable that is connected to the solar panels. And these are 2 solar panels. They are charging to the batteries, and the battery give you 2. Maybe to give you a demonstration of what it looks like, this is how it looks like. This is how the pot looks like. It just connects with this generator. Once you have connected, you start your cooking, you come to your cooking modes. Right now I'm cooking and I'm enjoying my style. You see how powerful it is? I'm cooking in open space, but I'm not affected whatsoever. For 2 panels, 2 batteries, 2 cooking pots, 3 lights, and a generator. That is 3.7. But you can very soon we shall be able to get it at 3.1 because the government is giving us a subsidy. Anywhere in the country, we shall be able to deliver it. Just place your order and we'll be good to go. Now, what if you don't have 3.1 or 3.7 million? All you have to do is deposit, let's say, a minimum of 2 million. The balance will give you a grace period to pay. Otherwise, we call it kibanja mpola. So if you don't have the cash, you talk to us, then we give you. So in case you want to know more, you can call Daniel and on 0704 335 642.